Baba, can I ask you something?
Of course, what's on your mind?
Today at school, we learned about the importance of telling the truth. But I was wondering, why is truth so important in Islam?
That's a great question. In Islam, truth is considered one of the highest virtues. It's mentioned in the Quran and taught by Prophet Muhammad. Truthfulness is a key principle in Islam. It builds trust, strengthens relationships, and brings us closer to Allah.
But what happens if someone lies?
Lying is considered a sin in Islam. It can lead to many problems, like breaking trust and causing harm to others. The Quran says, "O you who have believed, fear Allah and be with those who are true."
I see. So, being truthful is not just about being honest with others, but also with ourselves and Allah.
Exactly, son. Truthfulness is a sign of a strong character and a faithful believer. It's important to always strive to be truthful in our words and actions.
Thank you, Baba. I understand now. I will always try to be truthful, no matter what.
My boy, remember, truth is the foundation of a good and righteous life. Always remember, truthfulness is a virtue that brings us closer to Allah and helps us lead a righteous life. And our blessed Prophet said, truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise. A man keeps on telling the truth until he becomes a truthful person, so speak truth in whole life.